Hi, this is Mr. Dietrich. I wanted to do a quick video to walk you through how to choose a virtual background when you are in Zoom. Okay, so I'm just going to go into a new meeting. You, of course, will just join the meeting that is, that is linked to you, that you get a link to. Okay, so this is what you'll see when you sign in. You'll just see the background of whatever room you're in. Okay, if you want to get a virtual background, you would go to where it says stop video, okay, but you would click the arrow that's just next to that, okay, and then this menu pops up. You're going to go up, it says choose virtual background, or you could go to the video settings menu. This is just quicker, it takes you right there. When you see, so this is what it looks like with no virtual background, it's just the room. These top three are preloaded. They should pop up for everybody as options. The ones that are beneath that are ones that I have loaded in myself, and I'll show you how to do that also. So it's just as simple as clicking on one, and all of a sudden that's your background, or that's your background, or that's your background. The ones that I have down here are ones that I have gone on and downloaded a picture of and then loaded up for my own. Okay. And you can do that also. The way that you would do that is you would go to the plus sign up here, click on it. It'll open up the any of the files that are on your computer. So if I look here, I say, oh, you know what I want? Let's see, what do I want? Okay, let's say that I wanted to have this flashy background. Okay, well, there I am. And then you would just X out of it, and here I am. So that's the way that you would do virtual background. If you can't see this menu, I don't know if it's available on all devices, if it's just limited to Apple devices, but video settings, the other way to get there, you see there's all these menus on the left side, depending on what it is that you're wanting to do. And right there in the middle, you've got virtual background. Okay, so there's a couple ways to get to it, but that's how you do it. So I hope you are able to do this without any problems. But if you do have problems, let me know, and we'll see if we can get it figured out for you. All right, thanks. Bye.